heestaadii macani.
Yeah. Hey, what up, Anaji?
Hey, Vio, man, what's good?
Hey, nine.
Oh, but Bella.
Hey, that
Bella is
dang
shit.
it.
Baba, yeah, man.
Like that,
You would have been another person, so
yeah.
Come on, y'all.
I be doing this every day. AV, oh, you know who I be. By the way, whisper words that will be a cloudy day. Anything may come into play. You heard enough compliments about your looks. Now I tested your self-confidence by a different approach. Now you're coming back for more like I'm your coach. Forget the stress, exercise your mind while I talk about mindsets like dead press. Tell me, have you ever been torn apart or spent a night with a broken heart? Before we take it to the next level, think about contraception. They make your body hot like volcanic eruption.
hadalkaaga macaan aragaaga wanaagsan jirkaaga dhaqaaqi simankaaga toosan deftayda waaye ku nuursahaaye axdiga doobe naftayda jooge la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal barafkii labaasha حبيبي برفيق ابو باجري باركي السوق البركي لباشا يسود دواتي حكي مامي تحذا قصلو وتضم بذاني ماشي ذا معاتي لحظة هبوني نسيقي قواي وكاهراني لا حبيبي برفيق ابو باجري باركي السوق البركي لباشا لا حبيبي برفيق ابو باجري باركي السوق البركي لباشا.
Yeah, you just don't understand. Avogadro's known for a one-night stand. Back breaking the ass kicking, that's one type plan.